Right now, we're seeing fashion sentiment at an impressive plus 0.66, a significant spike compared to our historical baseline. This suggests a notable shift in how consumers feel about fashion trends, something you'll want to pay attention to. The momentum is also positive at plus 0.20, hinting that this sentiment isn't slowing down anytime soon. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, which help you understand the nuances of public opinion. For instance, you could leverage this data to tailor your marketing campaigns or inventory strategies, aligning them with the current fashion enthusiasm to maximize engagement. To dig deeper into this data and integrate it into your applications, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's unlock the potential of fashion sentiment together.